average interest rates that lenders are quoting dropped down even another 0.25% in the last couple of weeks. Hi everybody, it's Louis Zitting with Monitor Base, with the Monitor Base Insider Report for the week. So beginning in June, we really saw kind of an increase in overall mortgage inquiries. With last week, it was up about 20%. And there's a couple things that are feeding that. Obviously, interest rates have dropped, so low, or at all-time lows or near all-time lows, depending on the day. And so I think that's probably adding a lot to it. But we did see quite a bit of inquiries right after the first of the month. We continually see that, and I think that when everyone's busy, they've got a pretty full pipeline of refinances. After they get through that end of the month closing mess and funding loans, we usually see a good pickup in mortgage inquiry alerts right at the first of the month, when they can, reach out and follow up with their pipeline, or anybody that has been contacting them to look into a refinance. They can get caught up. It's almost like the originators are getting caught up that first week of the month. But that didn't slow down the second week of June. That actually grew a little bit more. So there's definitely a lot of mortgage activity happening, very much so in the refinance side, and that's not news to anyone. We're still very high on inquiries with a mortgage age from 1 to 12 months. These refinance opportunities are coming from very recent mortgages, and the older the mortgage gets, the lower that goes. And it could just be they bought their home or they refinanced within the last year, and then seeing in the news that mortgage interest rates have dropped so much more, they want to just take advantage of that and try and lock in a low interest rate. 75% of our inquiry alerts are still above a 700 score, and that's slowly ticking up each week. So that trend is not changing. It's very much in the higher credit sort of applicants. And then another thing that we did see an increase in the past week is our predictive rate watch alerts. Those had a decent increase, probably about 10%, and that's due to mortgage interest rates as well. We've seen pretty good interest rates. It was kind of all over the place as far as what lenders were quoting, but on average, we've seen the average interest rates that lenders are quoting drop down even another 0.25% in the last couple of weeks. So I think that's really added to the predictive rate watch alerts, and there's just massive amounts of opportunity in there. So thanks for listening. If you haven't subscribed, feel free to subscribe to our blog or our YouTube channel, and we'll talk to you next week. Thanks.